Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to send yourself an email on Gmail using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. In this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Google, Gmail. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Gmail. Go to the top right corner for the shortcut. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to the left-hand side navigation menu. Go to Compose. Increase the size of the email window, and now let's select the recipient, which will be ourselves, ComputerScienceVideos business@gmail.com. Let's now choose a subject. Let's just say this is a trial. Go within the email and type in Dear CSV. I hope that this email finds you well. Right arrow to autofill, full stop, next line. This is a trial email. New line, kind regards. New line again, CSV. And now let's click on send. This will now have been sent to ourselves. Let's now view the message. This is a trial, Dear CSV. I hope that this email finds you well. This is a trial email, kind regards. CSV. Let's go back to inbox, and here we have that email on screen. Let's now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.